What's going on YouTube? Chevy Life 85 back with another video. This is gonna be a quick video, guys. Did a little order off of Amazon and it finally came in. So I'm gonna show you what it is and then I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed. Alright. So it looks like we got the LED tag lights. Now I did order the light bulbs to actually go in there, but they was they was too big, so it wasn't locked in. So I did go with these. Now these does feel like some little cheap plastic, so we'll see once we get it in. You see it got the LEDs already built in. Plastic does feel cheap, but let's get up under here and take one out and see what we got. All right, so to take it out, you got to press that clip in. Let me see. You got to press this clip in right here and then pop it out. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is twist my light out and then hold on. So those are the original lights, the original tag lights. So get a Phillip head, a flat head, I mean. I'm trying to get it to where y'all can see. Get that light out y'all way. All right. All right, so I did go ahead and get it out, and hell, the plastics actually feel the same. So yeah, I mean they pretty much feel the same. So that's the comparison, old and new. So I'm gonna get that popped in. I'm gonna get the new one popped in. Then we're gonna do the other side and we're gonna get them cut on. Oh, let me clean that off first. See all that dirt right there? Clean that off real quick. My bad, I had to get my little cleaning rag real quick. Wipe that dirt off. Look much better. You know what? Let that sit for a minute. We're gonna go ahead and pop this other side out. So that's the other side. All right. So got the light out. Oh, I like that one. You can tell that's the original one. That one broke. Yeah, that one broke on me, guys. Dry rotted. So, good thing we got that one out too. Alright, that side dirty. Look at that piece right there. Alright. I got that side wiped off. And then slide that in. Now when you put it back in, this little clip goes right here. This little curved piece, it sits in there like that. And then the clip pushes in. All right. So I got that one in there. Hey, actually it looked 10 times better. And we're gonna get up under here and plug it up. Yeah. So we're gonna take that bulb out. Now you're gonna plug. We're gonna plug that red cord, red and black cord, into the bulb. If it don't work, we'll come and flip it around due to with the LEDs, the polarity. You have to do it based off the polarity. So and then put it back in there. Lock it in, protect them wires. All right. Let's clean this other side. Look pretty clean. And do the same thing. Ooh, that boy tight. All right, got that one in there. Get under here. So, same thing. Plug that wire into here. And my bad, guys, if everything seems so close. I'm trying to do it all by myself. So let me set you down. Got the spare tire in the way on this side. I'm trying to get in there. You might not be able to see it, but I'm gonna get in here the best I can. All right, seems like I got it in there fairly easy. It's in there. And push them cords in. I got y'all all sideways, my bad. But we're gonna get them cords in there. And I tell you, it's hard doing it with one hand. I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, Got it back in now. We're gonna turn these lights on and we're gonna see what we got. Ooh, wee. Man, them things make a difference. Them things are bright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Good price, good price, super bright. So we'll see how long they last. I will post the link in the description for those bulbs. Really was a good price. I think I spent about $12, if I ain't mistaken. So yeah, that's not bad at all. Next I'll be doing my tail light upgrade. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Drop any recommendations down below. And I'll get back with you next time.